Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save pins to a specific board on Pinterest. So if you have multiple boards, then one of the easiest way how to save your pins to a specific board, let me go ahead and hover over this and let's choose, for example, food and drinks, is once you find a post or a pin that you like, don't just click on save, because you want to be careful, because once you do that, it's going to go ahead and add it possibly to your profile. And if you look to the left hand side, you can see it says profile. So you could be saving, and these are not actually going into that specific board that you've created. But instead, once you're scrolling down, you want to go ahead and look towards the left hand side where you have it and click the drop down that says profile, and instead select that board that you want to save in and click and save. For all those other pins that you have made, you could actually change them as well. So click where it says save to profile, and it's going to take you over to your profile, and you can just easily move those into different boards. So how do you do that? Just simply click on organize to the right hand side, find the pins that you want to basically add to that board, and click on next, select the board that you want to add it to, click and save, and it's going to move those into that specific board for you. And as you can see, I move those into the yummy food board, and these are in this board. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.